after tomorrow, 2 semi-finals. After that, 1 grand final. Vishal to Manav. First run on the board by the father and son pair. Partnership in life, partnership in game.
Bobby elected to bat.
Good shot down the round. Both openers off the mark with a single each. First Mano, then Bobby. Loose ball down the ground. That's a boundary, looks like, as it is. First boundary for Mano. And a welcome boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited.
Important match in it.
Offside, girl, offside.
Just out around the off stump area.
Single, आराम से.
Easy single, good running in between the wicket.
Nice one, Ray.
Vishal operating from the grand stage end. Good shot. Is that all the way? Another boundary, second boundary in this over. Very good batting display by the Kishore Bobby and Manav. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited boundary.
ऑफ रखो जीवन आगे रोक ऐसे खड़ा रहेगा तो ऊपर से जाएगा come on runs जा रही है come on
1 over score
offside
After 1 over 11 run without any loss.
पूरा ऑफ स्टंप आया
Hemant comes to bowl. Played it easily straight back to the bowler. That's a dot ball.
बस ऑफ रखो
1.1 over,
सिंगल नहीं देना है
double one without any loss.
सिंगल नहीं देना कवर
Oh, very good shot. That gone the distance. That's a magnificent six by Manav. The 6 run sponsored by Bobby.
ऑफ
Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. The runs are beginning to come for Bobby on the first time in this tournament. Very good partnership. Want to play that one to the onside. Played it well. Gets a single. Good running though.
बहुत टाइमिंग मिल रहा है बंदा कवर
18 without any loss. Second over in progress.
शिट
Dot ball.
ऑफ में आने दो कम ऑन ऑफ में बता
Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 2.
मारो देख ऑफ में आने दो कट शॉट देखेंगे
Again playing is another dot ball.
बॉलिंग सेम एक कट शॉट देखना है कम ऑन
That's up in the air and put down.
लक्ष्य दीजिए
Single to the total. After 2 overs, 19 run without any loss. Very good start by the both openers.
जीवन बॉलिंग
Last over in the mandatory batting power play. is going to be ball the third over.
क्या करूं कम मारो थोड़ा
Looks like N-Jeevan. Is he?
अखिल बाहर जाने नहीं देता बॉल रोकना जीवन ऑफ स्टंप
N-Jeevan comes to ball. Manav Gujjar is on 13 from 6. Bobby is on 6 from 6. Both have got the start. Good shot. Clears the mid-off vision. Ball running away to the boundary. It will go all the way. That's a lovely shot. Inside out. Baba mid-off vision. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited.
थोड़ा आगे डाल थोड़ा और आगे
This time, a senior man, Kishore Bobby, hits an important boundary.
और राहुल अंदर आओ
First time Bobby Omi has got the very good start, solid start.
बाहर रख
Again he finds the gap. Again he clears the infield, won't carry to the fielder. They back for the second. So 2 runs added to the total. The Bobby Omi teammates, they are quite happy with the things are happening here. Both Manav and Kishore Bobby have given the dream start. Play miss. Even though they want the run, gets it, wait for the umpire signal, 1 run to the total
नाइस बॉलिंग ऑफ रखना पूरा बाहर रख
of the bat.
वाइड लाइन
Good shot again, down the ground.
भाई कैच रे
First wicket goes down.
कौन पकड़े कैच?
Lakshit is the catcher.
लाइन पे कैच रे गुड कैच बॉय
New batsman comes out to the middle. Batsman name Ayush. Still senior man Kishore Bobby in the center. Ayush is on strike facing Jeevan. Reverse shot played it well indeed. I don't think that will go all the way. 1 run to the total.
ये था आयुष
Last ball remaining to complete 3 overs of mandatory power play. 27 for 1. My bone edge not taken by the wicketkeeper. Dot ball to finish the over. After 3 overs, 27 for 1. 3 overs gone, mandatory power play completed, 27 runs for the loss of 1 wicket.
P2.
और ले
Atul Bansali into the attack. "27 for 1 after 3 overs. Magic ball, the sponsor of that magic ball, Cherry Blossom.
पकड़ पकड़
Right.
That's 6, that went for the distance.
P2 first ball 6.
Huh? Six runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Now the dot ball. Ayush hits his first six and the first six for the team. 33 for 1, fourth over in progress. Played it on the onside. Kishore Babu running well in between the wicket. Well compared to Ayush. Kishore Babu pretty quick. White ball. Extra run to the total. 35 for 1, fourth over in progress. Plain miss. Last two more balls to go to complete over number 4. Good shot on the ground. 1 run to Kishore Babu, 1 run to Bobiani. Last ball remaining. Play miss, over completed after 4 overs, 36 for 1. Four overs completed, 36 for 1.
Take catches.
After 4 overs, 36 for 1. They are scoring exactly 9 runs per over.
ಇದೇ ಇದು ಬಾಯಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ ಬೇಡ. P2 bowler
Rahul Chavar. One run to the total. Rahul Parekh, not Chavar. Your shot played well, good connection. There is a protection in the deep. 1 run added to the total. Fifth over is underway. Play miss. In fact, clean ball.
Come on, Ray.
4.3 overs, 38 for 2. Kishore Babu fine innings comes to an end. New batsman comes up to the middle.
P2 batsman ने
Mahavir. Look for a quick single, gets it. Good running though. Mahavir off the mark. Last two more balls to go to complete over number 5. They will go through for the single. Can they back for the second? No, they don't. Just a single. 4.5 overs, 40 for 2. Last ball remaining to complete over number 5. Down the ground. Another quick single. Good running though. 5 overs gone. 41 for the loss of 2 wickets. Atul Bansali going to be continue. Straight to the fielder. Both batsmen running for everything. Good running in between the wickets. Another single. Oh, lovely shot. Has dragged down the distance. That's it. Magnificent strike. 6 all the way. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. Ayush hits his second 6. Again want to repeat the same. This time no proper connection with the bat. Dot delivery. Lovely shot again. But he finds the fielder. 1 run to the total. Jivan Jang, young talented guy, is the fielder. Last 2 more balls to go to complete over number 6. Another dot ball. Last ball remaining. So another dot ball. 6 overs gone. 49 for 2. After 6 overs, 49 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. They are scoring just more than 8 runs per over. If they keep continuing to score at this rate, the projected score more than 80, which is really very good compared to total on the board.
Rahul Parekh.
Six overs completed, 49 for 2. 7th over to go. Rahul Parekh will bowl the second over of a spell. Dabbed it. In fact, choose the call, chase for the bowler himself. Couple of runs to the total. That brings 50 runs on the board for the Bobby Army. 51 for 2. Seventh over in progress. Good shot. He drags that one way outside the off stump to the onside for a single. Slightly down the leg side. Man at short front leg. Another single. 53 for 2, 6.3 overs. Down the track comes no run, dot ball. Last 2 more balls to go to complete over number 7. Premeditated, they played that one to the onside. That gone the distance, it looks like to me, and it does. That's a magnificent 6. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Third 6 for Ayush. Last ball to go, 59 for 2. Already 10 runs in this over. Last ball remaining. Good shot. Bangs it, that one down the ground, finds the gap. And that's a boundary. Boundary to win the over, expensive over, 14 of it. After 7 overs, 63 for 2. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. After 7 overs, 63 for 2. Looks like Atul Bansali will bowl third over of a spell. Oh, another 6. That's a massive. That's into the crowd. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited 6. Ayush hits his, in fact, this time Mahavir hits his first 6.
चेक कर भैया बॉल
6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. No run, good bowling, very good bowling. This is by Atul. Dot delivery. $69 for 3. Good ball. Again another dot. Plain miss. Another dot ball. This is very good stuff from Atul Bansali, experienced man. Last 2 more balls to go to complete over number 8. 69 for 3 so far. Jainam is on 6 from 4. White ball, extra run. He's tying his lace. Atul Bansali. No run again. Another dot ball straight back to the bowler. This is resulting to be a pretty good over apart from that 6. Last ball. Good shot. Has that gone the distance? It does. 6 runs to end the over. After 8 overs, 76 for 3. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. 8 overs gone, 76 for 3. 13 of it. Atul Bansali finishes his full spell of 3 overs. 8th over to go. In fact, 9th over to go. 8 overs completed, 76 for 3. 9th over to go. Penultimate over. Looks like a Hemant. Is he? Yes. Again, he goes want to go hard on the ball. Didn't time it well. Only
इधर
single.
थोड़ा और आगे
Now Jainam is on strike. Both are targeting the bowlers. Just over the wicket-keeper side. There is a fielder. Good fielding though. Another single. 2 ball, 2 singles. 78 for 3. 9th over in progress. Not timed it well, hitting the point of the bat. Another single. 3 ball, 3 singles. Long off is the very favorite place for Sagar. He is a very famous, well known as a whippet man.
nice ball same line
There is a definite sound, but no run. Last 2 more balls to go to compete over number 9. 17-9 for 3.
lovely bowling
Good ball, very well bowled again. Another dot delivery.
super bowling
Last ball remaining. Still 79 the score.
same बाहर आने दो catch है जीवन कबूल
Down the ground. Good fielding though. Single to finish the over after 9 overs, 80 runs exactly for the loss of 3 wickets. 9 overs gone, 80 for 3. Last over to go.
keeper change
Bowler.
Vishal will bowl the last over. Starts off with the wide. 81 for 3. 6 balls remaining. Didn't time it well. top edge of the bat, short third man in place, takes a single. White ball, extra run. 83 for 3. Last over in progress. Catches the call. Sagar Upit is the man, not carried to the fielders. Just a single. Didn't get the elevation right. Catches the call. I don't think that will carry to the fielder. That's a boundary. Bachli did one handy boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Sports Private Limited. Last 3 more balls remaining. For 3 more balls to go. Good shot, nice placement. Fine piercing the gap in between the two fielders. That's a lovely shot, slight inside out. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Sports Private Limited. Jainam is the man, finds the gap, gets a boundary. Down the ground, that's 6, straight to the side screen. What a shot! Stand and deliver. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Sports Private Limited. Last ball remaining, 98 is the score. Can they reach 100 runs mark? If they do so, that's a really more than competitive. Looks like a might win edge. 1 run taken. The back for the second. Gone. 99 for 4. 100 runs is the target exactly in allotted 10 overs. It's good.
Yeah, power bank.
Is the target in allotted 10 overs. The fielders of Bobby coming out to the center. Good batting display. Mano and Kishore Bobby opened the innings, given a very good start for the team.
Both the umpires.
Umpires, please go to the middle. Sheikh Haji Mastan, please. along with Lakshmi Sagar. Please go to the center.
सूर्या सर
Surya, in fact.
शेख हाजी मस्तान
सागर ब्रो
So the two opening batsmen, Atul Bansali and Sagar.
फोर्टीन अतुल शाह
गोटा रोक लिया स्ट्राइक एक बार रविंद्र
शेख हाजी
सिपिन क्या है सिपिन है
Hold the paneer.
ನೀನು ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಐತೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗೋ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ನಾವು ಒಂದಿನ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ 8 ದಿನ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್.
ಅಂತ ಫೋನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಪೀರ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು
बीरा
ಯಾಕೋ ಪೀರ್
ऐसा मार दो कैसा
Strike. Sagar.
बोले रहा
Sagar is on strike.
गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं
Atul Bansali at the non-striking end.
कम ऑन मुकेश भाई सागर भैया को रन आउट करना है
Bowler name
विकी
Vicky will open the bowling proceedings.
विकी
कौन
चाय
Vicky
मुकेश
Jain.
भाई का रन आउट है देखो
100 is the target. Vicky, he's on his way. Bowling to Sagar.
क्या अंकल एकदम स्ट्रेट है देखो सर या
शेख भाई दे डालना क्या पूरे ऐसे
राइट
इधर भाई को
कम ऑन यार
लास्ट के 4 बाला
आप ही से अंकल
Oh, well bowled, but unable to stop that certain single.
बस बस
First run on the board. Sagar opens his account and the team account with that easy single.
ये थोड़ा हटे से आता अरे ओके देखो
Atul Bansali is on strike. The senior campaigner Vicky bowling to Atul. Good shot, straight to the man at mid-on. Very good fielding. No run, dot ball. Very good fielding from Jainam.
और बॉलिंग है
Played with the soft hands, go through for the run. Atul Bansali off the mark.
कौन यार क्या बॉलिंग
They need to make 10 run, required 10 runs per over. Right from the beginning, they need to bat well. Reverse shot, played it well, but finds the fielder.
बॉलिंग 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 फ्रंट
Last 2 more balls to go. 3 runs on the board. Good shot. Oh, misfield by the fielder at mid-wicket on the onside.
फील्डिंग फील्डिंग
Just only a single.
और
Last ball to go. 4 without any loss.
कौन यार रिक्की अंकल बहुत प्रेशर है
Good shot, reverse shot. What the fielder said, all the way for 6. 6 runs to end the over. After 1 over, 10 runs without any loss. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. After 1 over, 10 runs without any loss.
ಸರ್ ತಿಪ್ಪಿಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀರು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ
ಇದೆ ನೀರು ಈಗ ತಂತಾರೆ
रानी हटाओ यूनाइटेड आगे हटाओ
तिपेशी
बैठे अना एक अडीच होता एक मिनिट
Bowler name
हा टाणी
Pranay.
come on friends चला हाँ बस
Oh, very good shot. That gone the distance, I think it does, and it will. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Atul Bansali hits his first 6.
अरे दूर दूर की है
He's targeting that downside. He's a very good bottom end player, Atul Bansali. Appeal, wicketkeeper jumps up, but it's a dot ball. First 3 overs will be the mandatory batting power play.
बॉलिंग बॉलिंग प्लीज ये चाहिए बहुत बढ़िया है कहीं पे भी घूमने दे
Played it on the onside. Has that gone the distance? Another 6 in this over. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited 6. Second 6 for Atul Bansali. Already 3 sixes, 1 for Sagar, 2 for Atul. Both are looking pretty good at the moment. (22) without any loss. Just a second over in progress. 1.3 over.
come on friends शॉर्ट बॉल नहीं थोड़ा आसान है बॉल come on यार ये बॉल था ये बॉल
Plays it defensively, straight back to the bowler. Dot ball. Last 2 balls remaining in this over number 2. 22 without any loss.
come on यार फ्रेंड्स बढ़िया है
Again he goes. This time won't go all the way, but ball will runs away to the boundary. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. 26 without any loss. Last ball remaining in this over number 2.
come on boy बढ़िया है
Again he goes. This is massive. And into the crowd. Expensive over comes to an end from Pranay. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. After 2 overs, 32 without any loss. 22 runs conceded by Pranay in his first over.
ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ థర్డ్ ఇంకో
Still 68 runs needed in 48 balls.
रन रेट ज़्यादा है फर्स्ट फोर्थ
बॉलर ने देखो शेख भाई बॉलर Ayush into the attack, attempting for the reverse sweep, doesn't get it right. Dot ball.
अरे नहीं मारता रिवर्स
Chips it in the air, a lollipop catch. Who's the catcher?
आज खेलना से रिवर्स करके
बॉलिंग बॉलिंग आयुष
It's a Jainam who takes a very simple catch.
अतुल से चलेगा ठीक
32 for 1. 2.2 overs. New batsman comes up to the middle. Batsman कौन है? शेख भाई.
पिट्टू पिट्टू
Pittu, the new man.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಓದಿರಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಓದಿರಿ
MA.
ಎಮ್ ಎ ಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ನೀವು ಇದು ಆರ್ ಎಂ ಪಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್
Pittu pulls that one to the onside.
सिंगल आराम से
Gets a single, opens his account. 45 balls, 67 runs needed.
60 मारना है
ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್
Good ball. That's a dot delivery. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 3. 33 for 1. 44 balls, 67 runs needed.
ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ಲಾಗೇನೆ ಯಾಕೋ
Oh, good shot. Using a reverse sweep to a very good effect. He gets a boundary. Boundary sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. Last ball remaining to complete the over number 3. 37 for 1.
ಫುಲ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಕೇಸರಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅನ್ನೇ ಬೇಡ
We will go through for the single. Over completed after 3 overs, 38 for 1.
ಪಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು ಪಿಟ್ಟು
3 overs completed, 38 for 1. 62 run in 42 balls.
ಸಿಗ್ಬೈ ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು पिटता रास्ता बहुत जने 20
ये निपुण क्या होना है
जल्दी जग सो सागर का गया बेटा गया
तो खेला गया बराबर क्लियर करें बात नहीं
Sheikh bhai, bowler Manav क्या है? Manav who is into the attack.
वो मनोज भाई नहीं दिख रहा
Magic ball. The sponsor of that magic ball, Cherry Blossom. Atul is on strike. He's on 29 from 12 balls. Atul Bansali looking good.
Come on यार मानव
Played it on the onside. There is a fielder. That went all the way for 6. That's a magic ball. The 6th run sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. 44 for 1. Atul Bansali moves on to 35 from 13 balls. 40 over ball, 56 runs needed. Played it easily down the ground to the onside. Just only a single.
बॉलिंग मानव प्रिंस इधर आ गया डैनी माया प्रिंस पीछे मुकेश भाई अंदर
40 ball, 55 runs.
आमिर आमिर बाहर है कमॉन मानव प्रिंस इधर आ एक सेकंड रुक पांडे कौन है
सर डायरेक्ट है
कमॉन यार मानव
Good shot, straight on the ground. Is that goal along the way? And it is. That's a boundary. Vicky unable to stop that boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. 49 for 1, 3.3 overs.
come on मानो अच्छे थोड़ी धक्के मार दे बस
P2 hits his first boundary. Big man goes high. That should be taken. Oh, not in a position to take the catch. Couple of runs to the total. Those couple of runs brings 50 runs on the board. 51 for 1. Last 2 more balls to go. 51 for 1. 38 ball, 49 runs. P2 promoted in the batting order as a one-down batsman.
प्रिंस तो आ गया अक्षय थोड़ा यो आ गया आ गया और आ गया और थोड़ा सा देख स्ट्रेट पीछे देख हाँ बस कम ऑन मानो
Swing and miss, well bowled. Last ball remaining to complete over number 4. 37 ball, 49 runs needed still. This time they will go through for the run. Can they back for the second? They're going back for the second run. 2 runs to the total. So 4 overs gone, 53 for the loss of 1 wicket. 47 runs in 36 ball. 47 runs in 36 ball needed. They have lost only 1 wicket. Still Atul Bansal in the center. P2 giving him a very good company.
अजय कतरे खेलो रे बे
ये पता वाला के दवा वाला
डब्बा खोल रहे हैं
मामा का है
शेख भाई बॉलर ने
Mukesh into the attack. Good shot. That's 6 runs. Take that. Another Bharat Aerospace Private Limited 6. Atul Bansal into the 40s with that magnificent 6. He's on 42 from 15.
काले पास से जीता तो थोड़ा मैं आवाज
35 ball, 41 runs needed. Match ಮುಗಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Works away that one to the onside, 1 run taken.
नो प्रॉब्लम
60 for 1. 34 ball, 40 runs needed. P2 is on strike. Can P2 strike big? Played miss, dot ball. onside. Just only a single. Last 2 more balls to go to complete over number 5. 32 ball, 39 runs needed. Catch is the call. I don't think that will carry to the fielder. The back for the second. Very good running by Atul Bansali. And also with a big P2. Atul Bansali is on 45 from 17 balls. 31 ball, 37 runs needed. Umpire, last ball remaining. Thirty-one ball, 37 runs.
Last ball.
Last ball remaining. In fact, run out. Out is the decision by the umpire. Run out. Fielder. Second fielder Mukesh. Good shot.
शेख भैया
ಹೌದೇನು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್
Batsman name.
ರಾಹುಲ್ ಪಾರೇಖ್
रन आउट पहले से देखो
ನಾಟ್ ಏಕ್ ರನ್ ದೋ ರನ್ ಔಟ್
100% कर दे देख मत वो कुछ
लागे सिंगल आएगा बॉलिंग कौन लेना पड़ा मुकेश
मुकेश कर रहा था
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಲೇ
ये सही दली में फिर भी कंफ्यूज होता
That's over extra cover. Has that gone the distance? It does. Was strike, clean blow.
ಬಾಲರ್ ಯಾರು
50 for Atul Bansali in style. Another Bharat Aerospace Private Limited 6. Atul Bansali reached 51 runs in 19 balls. Pranay is the bowler. Oh, want to drag that one way outside the off stump. That's a dot ball. 28 ball, 31 runs needed.
प्रणय
Good shot. Another 6. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited 6.
क्या क्विक करते तुम?
Good shot, pulls it, that one to the onside. There is a fielder and a very good catch.
Jainam.
It's a Jainam who takes a very good catch. Catch of the match is sponsored by
Jeevan.
new batsman Jeevan. Comes up to the middle. 75 for 3, 5.4 overs, 26 ball, 25 runs needed. Atul Bansali, excellent innings comes to an end. Two new batsmen in the centre. Both yet to face the balls. 26 ball, 25 runs needed.
मैं MG गंज जा रहा हूँ सो मेरे को
Played it over extra cover, won't go all the way, there is a fielder, one run taken, just a single.
ये कपड़े के
25 ball, 24 runs. Good shot. It's another 6. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited 6. 6 overs gone, 82 for 3. 24 ball, 18 runs needed.
बेंगलुरु में है उन्हें यहाँ नहीं है उन्हें
Sheikh bhai, bowler name? Jainam is the bowler. क्या हुआ? सिंगल डॉट नहीं? The batsman reached it out on the time, straight to the fielder, another dot ball, two back-to-back dot deliveries. 22 balls, 18 runs needed. Jeevan is on strike. Another dot ball, 3 dot balls in a row. 21 ball, 18 runs still. Change of angle. Over the wicket. Could this make any difference? Played just over the fielder's head. Jeevan takes a single. Just only a single. 20 ball, 17 runs needed. Good shot. Rahul Parekh. That's a boundary. Very good shot. Boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. 19 ball, 13 runs. Last ball remaining to complete over number 7. 14 ball, 13 runs. This time to the outside, straight to short third man,
तरफ से
just a single. 7 overs gone, 88 for 3. 18 ball, 12 runs needed.
P2, Manav.
Manav is the bowler. Eighteen ball, 12 runs. Rahul Parekh is on strike. Catches the call. Not carry the back for the second. Jainam is the fielder. In fact, no, Manav himself is the fielder. Couple of runs to the total. 17 ball, 10 runs. Good fielding on his own bowling by Manav. Very nice fielding, dot ball. 16 ball, 10 runs. Still played it on the onside.
back up
Just a single. 15 ball, 9 runs. Plain miss. Good bowling by Mono in the depth. 14 ball, 9 runs. Jeevan struggling in big time. White ball, plus 1 run, 2 runs added to the total. Fourteen ball, 7 runs. Good shot. There is a fielder. And that's a boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. 13 ball, 3 runs required. Can Rahul Parekh finish things off in style? Thirteen ball, 3 runs. Straight down the ground, beats the man. And into the boundary, that's it. Surgical Stars win this match comprehensively.
हेलो शेख, ये होने के बाद सबमिट बोलना क्या? बोलो सबमिट, एंड मैच.